Let me tell you what's profoundly maddening. So, you you have codependent, perfectionist, and people pleasing habits. You can name the pattern while you're doing it. You're mid people pleasing, thinking, oh, there I go again. And then what do? What do we all do? You finish the people pleasing anyway. Listen, you know you should set that boundary. You rehearse it, you psych yourself up for it, you practice it all the time in the mirror, in your journal. And then the moment comes and your throat closes and your chest tightens, and suddenly you hear yourself saying, no, it's fine, I can do it. And afterwards, you're furious. You're furious with yourself because, oh, I know better. But here's what's actually happening. Let me flip the script a little bit. What you're not doing is failing. Like, you're not failing. You're not even effing up. You're just trying to solve a body problem with your brain. And most of us are doing this, right? We're trying to shift our codependent, perfectionist, and people-pleasing thinking without realizing that these patterns don't just live in your thoughts. They live in your nervous system, right? In the part of you that's scanning for threats and making split-second decisions about safety before your conscious mind even catches up. My beauty. Your body genuinely believes that someone being disappointed with you is viscerally dangerous, that conflict threatens your survival, that your worth depends on staying useful, agreeable, and easy. So yeah, you can journal about boundaries until your little hand cramps. You can understand your attachment style perfectly. You can catch yourself mid-pattern and name exactly what's happening and which of your parents taught you to behave this way. But listen, none of it changes the wiring, because awareness doesn't rewire threat responses. Insight doesn't teach your body that it's safe to let someone be upset. Understanding does not convince your nervous system that you can say no and still belong and still be loved. Somatic, body-based work does, because it changes your nervous system. It changes procedural memory, implicit memory. And of course, I'm going to explain exactly what the heck I mean by that. In my upcoming free webinar, I'm teaching you what actually does create lasting change. Not just more insight, though I love insight. Not just more understanding, though I love understanding. But the actual tools that retrain your nervous system, so you can stop living in reaction and start living from choice, from presence, from intention. So you can finally set the boundary without your body staging a coup. So you can let someone be disappointed without it feeling like the end of the world. So you can stop performing your worth and start living like you already have it. Nervous system healing to end codependency. Join me live January 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern or January 28th at noon Eastern. Register for free at beatricealbina.com/nervous system webinar. All who register will get a recording sent to you the next day. Hey, listen, you're not broken. You're just trying to fix the wrong thing in the wrong way. Come, learn what actually works. I've been studying this for over 20 years. I can't wait to share it with you. Come learn what actually works, okay? All right. Ciao, ciao.